My name is Lindsay Sylvester. I've been in the pest control industry for 32 years. I work in very different sites, hospitals, rural sites, farms, houses, and that's the sort of thing I do. This is a place called, it's a donut factory in Shropshire. And I've been working here for about 4 years now. I would say about 18 months, 2 years ago, when it really did come to the forefront, I thought these rodents are starting to ingress into the building. So I had a problem where a rat had dug its way in under some gravel and found its way into an electrical control panel room. Then I had another issue where a rat had come in on a pallet of chocolate brownies. Now, it's when I started delving into the chocolate brownie pallet, I could see where the rat had been living. And I thought, right, this is where he's living. So I started peeling it back and the rat disappeared into the background. So I had to deal with that later. And then there were sightings of mice as well throughout that period. I've had where they've actually nibbled some of my bait boxes as well, when I've actually done my routine inspection. And also people have actually spotted or seen the odd mouse in the service area. Well, over the period I've been here, on a number of occasions I've had problems with rats and mice. Not in great numbers, but they keep coming to the building due to the fact of what's being produced here. And that's why I'm always on the battle with the rodent. The key challenge for me is having something what's very palatable, because they've got chocolate brownies here, they've got chocolate bars, they've got cakes, they've got biscuits, they've got the donuts. So I needed something that's going to be really palatable to compete with that food source. That was my biggest challenge. Well, I've got a total of 28 boxes for mice inside, and then I've got 6 bait boxes outside for rodents, for rats. So I've got 1 to 2 blocks on the inside in each box, and then outside I've got 7 in each box. Well, at the moment I'm on routines once a month, but when I first established I've got a problem, I put the bait down, visit 1, I come back, and it virtually solved the problem with an instant, which I was really chuffed about, really chuffed, because it stopped me having to come back all the time. I was sorted in 7 days, so I was really pleased with the result. Cilantro for me was very effective because I got control very quickly, and it reduced the time on site coming back and to. And the key benefits for me was the palatability of it, because I got that much product on here to compete with biscuits, chocolate, you name it, it's on here, donuts, and they still went for the cilantro. I use cilantro about 98% of my jobs on all my sites. 98%. That's all I use, and it works absolutely wonderful. Stopped me getting a lot of callbacks.